Like to save money? Then get ready for Tennessee's sales tax holidays. You know, one of the many great things about living in the state of Tennessee is that we have no state income tax, even on retirement distributions. And property taxes here are a lot lower than other areas of the country. That's why a lot of folks are considering moving to our state because they're tired of paying burdensome state income taxes. And they're exhausted from paying way too much in property tax and other onerous taxes as well. But did you know that Tennessee has 3 sales tax holidays? We certainly do. Imagine going shopping in a store or online for kids' clothes and computers, even grocery items and gun safes, and paying a reduced sales tax. Now, for most of the year, some Tennessee counties charge up to 9.75% in sales tax for non-food items. Hamilton County, where Chattanooga is located, charges 9.25%. Again, that's on non-food items. Of that 9.25%, 7% is state sales tax, so the county receives the amount above 7%. On food, the Tennessee state sales tax is 4%, and the county will add its portion, bringing that up to 6.25%. Now, a lot of folks living in the greater Chattanooga area will travel 20 to 30 minutes south to take advantage of Georgia's lower sales tax. Ketut County in North Georgia has a sales tax rate of 7%. The city of Ringgold charges 8%, while the city of Fort Oglethorpe charges 7%. The difference in sales tax in the county is due to T-SPLOST, the Transportation Special Purpose Local Option Sales Tax. What a mouthful. However, the Tennessee sales tax holidays are actually better than the regular sales tax in Northwest Georgia. So, what are the 3 Tennessee sales tax holidays? The first sales tax holiday is the traditional sales tax holiday for clothing, school supplies, and computers. That's right, just in time for getting everyone ready for school. Now, the back to school sales tax holiday lasts 3 days and begins at 12:01 a.m. on Friday, July 29th, 2022, and ends at 11:59 p.m. on Sunday, July 31st, 2022. That's right, it's this weekend. And according to the tn.gov website, when it comes to clothing, general apparel costing $100 or less, such as shirts, pants, socks, shoes, dresses, and so on, are exempt from the state portion of sales tax. So, in Hamilton County, Tennessee, you'll only pay the local portion, or 2.25%. There are some items, however, that are not exempt from the state's portion of sales tax this weekend. Again, the tn.gov website says that these are apparel items priced at more than $100. Also, you can't buy a pair of shoes, for example, costing $199, hoping to save on the state portion of sales tax. If the combined cost of the pair of shoes is more than $100, you'll have to pay full sales tax. Also, items such as jewelry, handbags, or sports or recreational equipment are not part of the sales tax holiday. And when it comes to school supplies, items costing $100 or less, such as binders, backpacks, crayons, paper, pens, pencils, and rulers, as well as certain art supplies such as glazes, clay, paints, drawing pads, and artist paintbrushes, are exempt from the state's portion of sales tax. Again, the same rule applies as for clothing. Items must cost $100 or less, and you can't split up items to stay beneath the $100 maximum. Computers are also part of the back-to-school sales tax holiday. Your purchase of a computer costing $1,500 or less is exempt from the state's portion of sales tax during the back-to-school sales tax holiday. This applies to laptops and tablets as well. However, if you choose to buy a flash or thumb drive, software, printer supplies, or household appliances, you'll have to pay full sales tax, including the state's portion. New for 2022 is the Tennessee Food and Food Ingredients sales tax holiday, our second sales tax holiday. Now, this sales tax holiday begins at 12:01 a.m. Monday, August the 1st, 2022, and ends Wednesday, August the 31st, 2022. Just think of it this way: school supplies, end of July, food in August. Essentially, the Food and Food Ingredients sales tax holiday exempts, according to the tn.gov website, liquid, concentrated, solid, frozen, dried, or dehydrated human foodstuffs. So basically, most items that you might purchase for preparation and consumption in a grocery store or in the grocery section of a big box store. Since the state of Tennessee collects 4% for food, anything falling within the broad categories of foodstuffs would be exempt from that 4%, although county taxes would still apply. So, for example, in Hamilton County, where Chattanooga is situated, you'd only pay 2.25% in sales tax during the month of August for those items. Like the previous sales tax holiday, there are exceptions as to what can be purchased without paying the state's portion of sales tax. Again, from the tn.gov website, alcoholic beverages, tobacco, candy, dietary supplements, and prepared food are not exempt from the state portion of sales tax during the month of August. Also, any type of prepared food that you might purchase from a micro market or a drive-thru, say from a national fast food chain, or food from a vending machine will still be subject to the state's portion of sales tax. Finally, there is a third sales tax holiday, and that is the gun safes and gun safety devices sales tax holiday. This sales tax holiday began last year on July the 1st and will end at 11:59 p.m. on June 30th next year. Can you really save money by moving to Tennessee? Watch this video next.